This is the AP Chemistry review for topic 1.2, Mass Spectroscopy of Elements. Our prompt says, a sample of NH nihonium contains 10 atoms. One atom is 284.2 atomic mass units, AMU. 3 atoms are 285.2 AMU, and 6 atoms are 286.2 AMU. Given the following information, calculate the average atomic mass of nihonium in the sample. Okay, so we're given 10 atoms. One atom would be 10% of the atoms. 3 atoms would be 30% of the atoms, and 6 atoms would be 60%. Now we can plug the following information into our average atomic mass equation, which is the summation of all the relative abundances times mass. And also note that when we're given the percentages, we're going to have to convert them to numbers because all the relative abundances should add up to 1. You would have to convert them to numbers in order to substitute in this position here. So the relative abundances should be in number form, and all the relative abundances should add up to 1. Really pay attention to that detail there. Okay, now we can do our substitution. So our average atomic mass is 0.1 because 10% is 0.1, 30% is 0.3, and 60% is 0.6. 0.1 times 284.2 AMU plus 30%, 0.3 times 285.2 AMU plus 0.6 times 286.2 AMU. Perform this operation on your calculator. You should get 285.7 AMU as the average atomic mass for nihonium. So you can write a therefore statement. The average atomic mass of nihonium in the sample is 285.7 AMU. In the next review video, we're going to be talking about topic 1.3, elemental composition of pure substances.